Story 13. I saw a holy man on the seashore who had been wounded by a tiger. No medicine could relieve his pain. He suffered much, but he nevertheless constantly thanked God Most High, saying, Praise be to Allah that I have fallen into a calamity and not into sin. If that beloved friend decrees me to be slain, I shall not say that moment that I grieve for life, or say, What fault has thy slave committed? My grief will be for having offended thee. And love, hate, fear, and hope they all work in their different places. But the truest repentance is when we're like, okay, we did something that God didn't like, or at least we think so.